SureCommand, My Profile, My Human Resources section provides several tabs. The first tab being the My Details tab, where you can see your generic information and the contact information you have submitted. The next tab, the My Documents tab, has several sub-tabs: the identification documents, certification documents, licensing documents, other documents, and employment forms documents. Under the Identifications tab, you will see fields for passport style photograph. You must take and upload a passport style photograph, not an actual passport photograph. SureCommand does not accept pictures of pictures. You can take a passport style photograph using your phone. The next identification that is required is the government issued photo identification. This can be in the form of your driver's license, identification card, and or passport. The third requirement for this page is a document showing your eligibility to work. Examples include a birth certificate, permanent residence card, citizenship, or a work permit. The next page is your certification. This includes fields for the NAICS designation. The next tab is your licensing. You can upload all your license types. The next tab is anything other than certifications or licensing, and the last tab being any particular employment form. On this particular profile, as it is a test profile, it does not have any employer's forms. You could also navigate through your resume portion. There are several sections within the resume portion: wage range, job search, weekly availability, details, education, and employment records. There's a uniform section where you can put your uniform size so that your employer knows what to replenish your uniforms with. In the My Performance section, you can see your general score, list of awards, and list of reprimands. In the My Access section, this is the list of employers who are requesting access to your private information. Your private information will not be shared unless you give permission. The Employment section shows all the employment opportunities within the SureCommand Business Network. And the My History section displays all the changes that have been made to your human resources side link pages. For more information, please visit SureCommand.com, and thank you for being a SureCommand user.